I never liked green bean casserole until this recipe. It uses fresh green beans instead of canned, and that makes all the difference. Trim and cut 3 pounds of green beans, boil for 4 minutes, then shock them in ice water and strain. For the sauce, melt 4 tablespoons of butter, then cook 4 large shallots and 4 cloves minced garlic together over medium heat for 4 minutes. Stir in 4 tablespoons of flour and cook 2 minutes more. Pour in a half a cup of dry white wine and 2 cups of chicken stock. Whisk and cook until thick. Whisk in 1 cup heavy whipping cream or half and half, a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and a wheel of Boursin garlic herb cheese. Break that up, and once it's melted through, pour half the sauce over half the green beans in a 9x13 dish. Add the second half of green beans and the rest of the sauce. Mix well, then bake uncovered at 375 for 1 hour. Remove from the oven and top with fried onions. This is green bean casserole with the freshness and flavor turned way up.